Sud Menteri Rangba ka jylla uba kami yakatanat kampo yeng polis uba Prestone tensong haga kandai trik nailur ula ong baka jing talasi jong kiseng bhalang ye kot kisla jong nongbylla bar jylla kadai kabala ban pediang Henry kimla apat banle palat yakata kum ga jing berngem bersit ne pynshitom ben namar kadai kabala khang persha dakaan Hoot ngalayo iya ki babun ki kinhuan seng bhalang ki bajulet khanra shaki jagat rei bat pelong ka jing talasi ki kot kisla jogi nong tre bela bar jylla hakaba ki la lapru ki babun ki bomdan ki kot kisla badan kam kumta kani ka pen I kumba ki ong sngobalit shim bat wanra shwa ki kot kisla ngatharai nga sngoba ka long ka babiang Henry ladai kini ki seng ki yait palat da ka berngem bersit ni pynshitom ngatharai ka an ka khang persha ong uba Prestone haba keren shakilap thai ku bor haba jubab ya ka jingkali halur ka jing talasi jong ki seng bhalang ya ki nong tre bela bar jylla uba Prestone ulo ong baka sarkar ka pediang ya ka jingwan jong nong tre bela ki badai na ki weipat ki jylla ki bawan sha ka ni ka jylla Henry ula banjur halur ka jingdan kam bakindon ya ki kot kisla ki babiang kat kum ka an ka nongrem jong ka sarkar ka long ka basai kedar ki no kino ki ba persang bantalasi ya ki kot kisla le se ki nong bela bawan na ki weipat ki jylla yi pediang ya ki Henry ha ka juk kapor ki don kam bandan ya ki kot kisla ki badan kam kumbala bu dakaan nakapor sya kapor ula benram
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Whoever trying to check the documents of friends, maybe the interstate laborers coming into our state, we welcome them, but at the same time they need to make sure that they possess the required documents as laid down by the Act from time to time. Number two, of course, I've seen a number of pressure groups. Sometimes they went to the site and then checked, and then ultimately they found out that some of them they don't possess that required document. So it seems what they said, please go and collect and bring the document. So I think that is okay. But if they go beyond that, suppose the pressure group, if they go beyond that by threatening or by torturing them, whatever, I think that law does not allow.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.